Welcome to Numbers World. We are back again with another video. In this video, we are going to compare two fractions. So let's just start it. Before comparing two fractions, let's discuss a fraction first. We know the upper part of a fraction is known as numerator, whereas the lower part of the fraction is known as denominator. So here we will discuss three different types of questions. In the first type, the numerators and denominators of the given fractions will be different. The second type is when numerators are different but the denominators are same for the given examples. Third type of the questions will be in which the fractions are given with the same numerators and different denominators. So let's just discuss our first type of example in which we have two fractions with different numerators and different denominators. Here we are going to apply butterfly method. In other words, we may say that we are going to apply cross multiplication method, in which we multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. So we have 7 and 5, so 7 fives are 35. It's better to write your answer in a circle to avoid any mistake. Then we are going to multiply the numerator of the second fraction by the denominator of the first fraction. So 3 fours are 12. So we are going to write it in the circle again. Then we are going to compare the numbers written in the circles. As 35 is greater than 12, it means 7 by 4 is greater fraction as compared to 3 by 5. Let's do another example of the same concept when we have two fractions with different denominators. In that case, let's multiply 5 by 3. So 5 threes are 15 and 6 by 6, which is equal to 30. When we compare the values written in the circles, as 36 is greater than 15, it means 6 by 3 is a bigger fraction than 5 by 6. So let's discuss our second type of example in which two fractions are given with the same denominators and different numerators. Here, as 7 is greater than 4, it means 7 by 9 will be greater fraction than 4 by 9. So let's do this concept with the help of two figures. So you may see two figures of same size here. The denominators are 9. That's why each figure has 9 parts in it. In the first fraction, 4 is our numerator. That's why 4 parts are colored out of 9. And in the second figure, 7 parts are colored out of 9 as 7 is the numerator of the second fraction. So you may clearly see the area that is covered by the shaded part is more in second fraction or second figure as compared to the first one. So we may clearly say that 7 by 9 is greater than 4 by 9. If we want to verify our answer by applying cross multiplication method, then of course we should, like 4 nines are 36 and 9 sevens are 63. As 63 is greater than 36, that's why we may say that 7 by 9 is greater than 4 by 9. So let's discuss our third type of example in which fractions are given with the same numerators and different denominators. So here, the fraction that has smaller denominator, that will be our bigger fraction. So let's understand this concept with the help of so here you have to make sure that the both figures are of same size. The number of parts may vary according to our denominators. Like in the first fraction, the denominator is 9, so there are 9 parts. And in the second fraction, there are 12 parts, as 12 is our denominator. So in the both the fractions, numerators are 2. So that's why 2 parts are colored in both shapes. So here you may clearly see the area that is covered by the shaded part in figure A is more as compared to the second one. So we may clearly see 2 by 9 is greater than 2 by 12. So we may verify our answer by applying the cross multiplication method as well, as 12 twos are 24 and 9 twos are 18. So 24 is greater than 18. It means 2 by 9 is greater than 2 by 12. Review time. So you will be given 3 questions and you have to solve each question in 5 seconds. So the first question is, which fraction is greater, 5 by 3 or 9 by 3? So your time starts now. 9 by 3, that's the perfect answer. Question number 2, which fraction is smaller, 12 by 4 or 12 by 7? So your time starts now. 12 by 4. Perfect, because 4 is the smaller denominator and numerators are same, so that's why 12 by 4 is greater than 12 by 7. Question number 3. Which fraction is smaller, 7 by 9 or 4 by 3? Your time starts now. 4 by 3 is greater than 7 by 9. I hope you like my video, so don't forget to like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.